Hot and sour soup was originated in Sichuan over 1,000 years ago. Nowadays, it has become so popular that you can even find it throughout Chinese restaurants in the US. Hi all my foodies, it's me again, CiCi. So today we are going to make hot and sour soup. Talking about hot and sour soup, it's a perfect soup for any type of season. Doesn't matter when the weather is hot or when the weather is cold. And whenever, if you don't have appetite, this soup will be sure to bring back your appetite. And this is, I'm talking from my experience. So now let's take a look how we can make hot and sour soup at home. Alright, so first we're going to rehydrate the shiitake mushrooms for overnight. Rehydrated dry wood ear mushrooms for about 1 hour to 2 hours next. So I also used to rehydrate this wood ear mushroom for overnight, and then later I discovered that you really shouldn't do it for longer than 2 hours, because if you do, the wood ear mushroom would develop these harmful bacteria for your body, which is not good. And every time after you soak in water, just make sure that you wash it thoroughly to wash out all the bacteria. Yep. To prepare the pork, first we're going to julienne the pork loin. So of course you can replace the pork with chicken, seafood, and if you're vegetarian, you don't have to put any meat in it. It's okay. Then in a bowl, we're going to add salt, white pepper, soy sauce, and this is a secret for Chinese cooking, cornstarch. It is to soften the meat. It's so useful. Cornstarch and water. Mix well. Transfer in the pork and thoroughly combine. Thinly slice the ingredients. Shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushroom is going to give the soup a load of umami flavor. On top of the yummy flavor, shiitake mushroom is also a very healthy ingredient. It contains compounds that help fight cancers and increase your immunity. Wood ear mushrooms. Lots of Chinese women consider wood ear mushroom as beauty food because it helps with blood circulation and nourish skin. Carrots. Ginger. And tofu. Chop the scallions. Scallion is another type of really healthy ingredient. So on top of giving you this splendid aroma in your dishes, it helps to release the toxin in your body, helps with the flu and the cold, and promote the digestive system. Crack 2 eggs. Now crack 2 eggs in your bowl and then beaten. Mix together the sauce number 1, including soy sauce, salt, and sugar. Now we're going to mix together sauce number 2, the vinegar. That looks about right. White pepper. Dark soy sauce. Okay, that's good. And sesame oil. Alright. In a pot, add the chicken stock and bring to a boil. Add sauce number 1 and then mix well. Transfer in the pork. Quickly break them up with your chopsticks. Cook over high heat for about 5 minutes. Like, I don't know about you, but when I was pregnant, I was nauseous like all the time. Especially in the beginning. Like, I didn't know what to eat, my stomach was hungry. So that whenever I had the chance to eat this hot and sour soup, it really sure to bring back my appetite. It was one of the things I really liked during my pregnancy. So you can also try it out. Now we're gonna add in the shiitake mushrooms. With your mushrooms, carrots, and the eggs in a circular motion like this. hot and sour soup. I think it's a perfect balance between the spiciness and also the acidity from the vinegar. It's just so good. And also the tenderness of the tofu and the meat is really amazing dish. Okay guys, so that's it today. I have a question at the end for you though. I mean, there's so many different varieties of hot and sour soup all around the world. My favorite is the Chinese hot and sour soup, also Thai tom yum. Oh, especially tom yum goong is so good. So what is your favorite version of hot and sour soup? Comment below and let me know, share with me. And I'll see you again soon. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up. Bye now!